Hello kids, colors name, kids, self drawing and color fill. Let's start with this video. Orange color, blue color, sky blue color, red color, light pink color, purple color, pink color, brown color, yellow color, light green color, green color. Kids, self drawing, red color, left arrow, rectangle, oval, heart, octagon, seven-point star, colorful kids, brown color, left arrow, pink color kids, rectangle, yellow color kids, oval, heart, purple color, green color, octagon, orange color, seven-point star. Shapes name repeat kids. Left arrow, rectangle, oval, heart, or 8-point star, 7-point. Octagon, 7-point star. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.